Hi everyone. Welcome to this quick tutorial where I'll show you how to log into Facebook using Google Chrome on your Android mobile device. Let's get started. First, unlock your Android phone and locate the Google Chrome app. Tap to open it. Once Chrome is open, tap on the address bar at the top of the screen. This is where you'll type in the website address. Now type in facebook.com and tap Go on your keyboard. You'll now see the Facebook login page. If you already have an account, enter your email address or phone number in the first field. Next, tap on the password field and enter your Facebook password. Make sure it's correct to avoid login issues. Once you've entered your details, tap the Login button to access your Facebook account. And that's it. You've successfully logged into Facebook using Google Chrome on your Android mobile. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.